Hey, I'm Makai Block with Limitless North. Don't leave money on the table. So often in business, as an entrepreneur, as a person who's out there trying to make money out of their services, out of their products, we have people coming to us all the time wanting to spend their money, wanting what we have to offer, and maybe they don't take the traditional route. So if we have a website, maybe they're not reaching out directly through our website and buying our products, but they've expressed interest in getting something of ours. And it takes an extra step of effort on our part to circumvent our normal processes and routines and to fulfill that need of theirs. But if we did it, we'd make money from them. We'd get their sale. We'd get them to become a customer. And not only that, they would feel appreciated because we had to take an extra step to get closer to them than what our normal processes present them with, right? So we often have so many of these opportunities laying around in front of us, sitting on the table. And I know personally for me, I don't always take advantage of them. I leave money on the table all the time. And it is so frustrating when I look back on my month or my week or whatever it was, and I see all these opportunities that I've just left sitting there and I haven't taken advantage of and I haven't gotten money from. And not only that, I didn't get a chance to provide value to these new people. So I really want to encourage you that there is money out there that you're not taking advantage of. And if you just look at your situation, chances are there's probably 20 or 30% more income waiting for you if you would just do the little extra effort to wrangle it all in and make that money and service those needs and add value to those areas that you're not currently adding value to. And you would not leave money on the table. You would raise your income. You would have a better business in general. You'd add to your audience. You'd add to your clients. So I want you to observe your current situation, your current finances, your current ability to make new customers and where they're reaching out to you. And do you have unread text messages of people that want something from you? Do you have unread or unlistened to voicemails coming in of people that want you to reach back out to them? Take that extra step this week and tie up all those loose ends. All those emails that are sitting in your inbox of people that actually could be great prospects for you, of people that have expressed interest in getting one of your services or products, and you just don't have time to respond to all the emails. Go tie up all those loose ends. You're gonna feel so much more collected and competent and confident in yourself once you have all that wrapped up and tidied up and organized. Not only that, you're gonna increase your income. You're gonna have new customers and clients, and people are gonna feel so much more connected to you because you took the extra step to meet them where they were at. So if I could leave you with one huge piece of advice on how to increase your income, it's don't leave money on the table. Find every loose end that's out there of people that want what you have to offer and go connect with them and go pursue it until it's in, until they pay you. And the way that you need to do this is you need to be focused on earning that money. That is your job, is to make money, right? So don't think your job is to do all these menial tasks throughout your day or just to get busy work done or just to do work. Your job is to make money, especially as a business owner. Your job is to make money, to make that business run. So put your mind there, focus on it, and say, today, who has my money? Who out there has my money that I need to collect? And go collect as much of it as you possibly can. And don't leave money sitting on the table, because I almost guarantee you there are so many things out there just sitting around, so many opportunities that you have not taken advantage of. And if you did, you might even change your entire life. Your income level could go from here to here. Your whole life, your whole financial life could change if you just employed this one rule of not leaving money on the table and tying up all your loose ends and following every lead all the way down until the point that you get paid. Don't waste your time with it. If there's ways to outsource it, but be about the money. Go make that money, because that's the point of you running a business, is to add value and in return get money for that value that you add. So go add as much value as you can, and if you want to look at it that way, do it. There are so many opportunities out there that you've left on the table to add value, to impact people, to change people's lives with your product in some way, shape, or form, and you haven't done it. So go do it today, this week. Tie up those loose ends, take that money off the table, quit leaving it laying around, and watch how it impacts your overall income. Watch how it changes your life for the better. I hope that inspires you. I hope that impacts you. Let that resonate. Go right now after this video, sit down and write out the ways that you left money on the table and go implement new ways to get that money. That will impact your income. Thanks for watching. I'm Makai Block with Limitless North, and I'll see you on the next one. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you and I promise you that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.